Good day everyone, and welcome to our new set of discussion. This topic is all about division of polynomials. Well, basically speaking, meron po tayong tinatawag na dalawang method kung paano natin makukuha yung quotient ng dalawang pinagdi-divide na polynomials. At ang isa nga doon ay division algorithm or the long division. Ang division algorithm or the long division is nagagawa nyo na or nagagamit nyo na nung elementary pa lang kayo. Let's say, for example, that we're going to divide 93 divided by 7. In doing the division algorithm or the long division, we should set this one as our dividend, and this one will be our divisor. Lagi natin tatandaan na dapat is ma-identify muna natin kung saan si dividend at sino si divisor para alam natin kung paano natin siya mailalagay sa ating division format. So pagdating naman sa division format, syempre familiar tayo sa division sign na ito. Wherein, nakapaloob dito si dividend at dito naman sa labas si divisor. So meaning, kung ito ay ilalapat natin sa format ng ating division, we will going to do is that, let's make our division sign. Then let's put dividend, which is 93, inside and the divisor outside. Then we're going to proceed in dividing those numbers to get our quotient. The same with dividing polynomials. It is the same way or the same format on how we divide specific numbers or simple given digits. To understand more, let's have an example of a polynomial using or dividing polynomials using the division algorithm or the long division. Let's have example number 1. X raised to 4 minus 64 divided by x minus 8. First thing and foremost that you're going to identify first, kung kompleto ba yung ating dividend. Kompleto ba siya? Lahat ba ng term ay given? Kung mapapansin nyo, x raised to 4 lang ang meron tayo. Tapos, nag-last term agad tayo or nag-constant term agad tayo ng negative 64. So, meaning, kailangan nating makompleto muna yung ating dividend bago tayo mag-proceed sa ating long division. So, kulang tayo dito ng x raised to 3 and x squared, pati yung x raised to 1. So, ang gagawin lang natin dyan, just expand the given, adding 0 sa bawat kulang natin na term. So, we have x raised to 4 plus 0 x raised to 3 plus 0 x squared plus 0x minus 64. So, since nakuha natin yung expanded form, yung complete form natin ng ating dividend, proceed na tayo sa ating long division format. So, according sa first step sa inyong module, kailangan i-arrange natin or ilagay na natin siya sa ating division format. Ano ang nasa loob? Dividend. Ang dividend natin is itong expanded form natin. So, we have x raised to 4 plus 0x cubed plus 0x squared plus 0x minus 64. Then, ang divisor natin, which is x minus 8, ilagay natin sa may labas. X minus 8. Ang sunod na gagawin natin, i-divide natin ang first term natin na x raised to 4 sa x. X raised to 4 divided by x, alam naman natin that that will be x raised to 3. Magbabawas tayo ng exponent because we are dividing the same variable. So, ang gagawin natin sa exponent is ma-minus lang natin. So, 4 minus 1 na imaginary exponent ng x, which is 3. So, we will write here, sa pangalawang term tayo magdadagdag ha, o itatapat natin siya sa pangalawang term, huwag natin siya ilalagay sa may tapat ng ating first term ng dividend. Dapat lagi siya nasa pangalawang term na ng dividend natin itatapat yung pinag-divide natin na first terms. So, we have x raised to 3. Then, ang sunod na gagawin, yung naging first quotient natin, i-multiply natin doon sa ating divisor, each term, x cubed times x, which is x raised to 4. Next, x cubed times negative 8, negative 8x cubed. Ang sunod na gagawin dyan is we need to subtract this, the resulting product nito. Pero ang gagawin muna natin is mag-change sign muna tayo. So, since ito ay naging positive, dahil ito ay positive kanina, so magiging negative na siya. At ito ay naging negative, magiging positive ngayon siya. Then, we will going to proceed with addition. X raised to 4 plus negative x raised to 4 is 0x raised to 4. Pwede nang wala po yan. Pwede nyo nang hindi ilagay yan. Then we have 0x cubed plus 8x cubed. We have positive 8x cubed. Next step is to bring down the next following term. Plus 0x squared. Then since 0 na to, we can eliminate that one. So, hindi natin siya isasama sa ating solution. Proceed tayo dun sa natira natin. 8x cubed divided by x. The resulting value will be positive 8x cubed. Okay, so yung x lang yung nagalaw natin. So, cube, as may 1 na imaginary dito, minus, magiging x squared. Then, 8 divided by 1, which is may imaginary 1 din dito sa x na to, which is 8 ang result. Kaya, 8x cubed. Next step na ginawa natin dito, same here. Sa kung paano natin na-come up yung ganitong binomial. 8x squared times x. 8x cubed. Then 8x squared times negative 8, we have negative 64x squared. So the same process, change signs tayo, then proceed tayo sa addition. Positive magiging negative. Negative magiging positive. Then, let's add 8x cubed plus negative 8x cubed, 0 na. So, huwag na natin siya ilagay. 0x cubed plus 64x cubed, x squared rather. Again, 0x squared plus 64x squared. We have 64x squared. Then, the same thing, ibaba natin yung 0x. So, we have 0x. Divide ulit natin yung first term. Sa first term ng divisor, 64x squared divided by x, we have positive 64x. Then, same thing, let's multiply the quotient to each term of the divisor. 64x times x, 64x squared. Then, 64x times negative 8, we have negative 512x. Then, change signs tayo. Positive to kanina, magiging negative. Negative to, magiging positive. Then, proceed tayo sa kanilang operation, which is addition. 64x squared plus negative 64x squared. 0 na po yan. Then, 0x plus 512x is 512x. Then, let's bring down negative 64, yung remaining value natin. We have negative 64. Then, isa-isahin na natin siya dito. 512x divided by x plus 512. 512 times x, 512x. 512 times negative 8, we have 4,096. Negative 4,096. Then, sunod na gagawin, change sign ulit tayo. So, positive siya, magiging negative. Negative, magiging positive. Then, 512x plus negative 512x is 0. Then, 64, or negative 64, let's calculate it. Negative 64 plus 4,096, which is 4,032. Since nakikita nyo na dito tayo natapos, wala naman nasunod na other term sa dividend, and still meron tayong remainder, kokopyahin na lang natin to. Ang gagawin natin, huwag kayo matataranta pag may ganitong nangyaring situation, just copy our quotient, x cubed plus 8x squared plus 64x plus 512 plus, lagyan tayo ng quantity, yung remainder natin na 4,032, then i-divide natin siya sa ating divisor, x minus 8. So, meaning, when we divide x raised to 4 minus 64 by x minus 8, the quotient will be x cubed plus 8x squared plus 64x plus 512 plus the quantity or the remainder 4,032 over x minus 8. Para mas malalap pa ninyong maintindihan kung paano nga ba tayo mag-divide gamit ang division algorithm or long division, let's have another example. For example number 2, we have negative 2x plus x squared plus 1 over x plus 2. So, sa ganitong sitwasyon, kung kanina nakita niya may divide sign tayo, ngayon para lang tayo naka-fraction. But don't you worry, pareho lang po ng format yan sa kung paano po natin sinolve yung number 1 kanina. Still, this will be your dividend. And this one is still your divisor. Pero titignan nyo muna, yung given natin is negative 2x plus x squared plus 1, which is informal yung kanyang positions. So, dapat mauuna muna yung variable na may mataas exponent pababa, papunta sa pinaka-constant term or yung last term na tinatawag natin. So, meaning, let's transform it first into x squared minus 2x plus 1. Hindi magbabago yung sign natin kasi pinagpalit lang naman natin ng pwesto yung kanilang mga term. Hindi naman siya natin nilipat sa kabilang side ng equal sign. At wala rin naman tayong equal sign dito. So, hindi siya magbabago yung sign, as is pa rin siya. Now, nabago na natin yung dividend. May divisor na tayo. Let's proceed now with the division format. So, yung dividend natin, x squared minus 2x plus 1. And ang our divisor, x plus 2. Let's now proceed with our steps. First term tayo ng dividend, divide by, first term of the divisor, x squared divided by x is x. Saan itatapat ulit? Sa pangalawang term, sa taas nito. We have x. Then let's multiply the quotient. The first quotient, x times x, we have x squared. Then x times positive 2 is positive 2x. Then change sign tayo. Yung positive x squared magiging negative x squared. Then yung positive 2x magiging negative 2x. Then proceed tayo sa kanilang operation. So x squared minus x squared, 0 na po yan. Negative 2x minus 2x is negative 4x. Pareho sila ng sign, negative tsaka negative. So meaning, pag-a-add lang natin sila. Then, next step is to bring down positive 1 plus 1. Then proceed ulit tayo sa step na ginawa natin kanina. Let's divide our first term of the dividend, negative 4x, to the first term of the divisor. Negative 4x divided by x is negative 4. Then multiply negative 4 times x, negative 4x. Then negative 4 times positive 2 is negative 8. Change sign. We have positive and positive. Negative 4x plus 4x, 0 na po yun. 1 plus 8 is 9. So, na-reach na natin yung pinakadulo ng ating dividend, pero may remainder pa rin tayo. Katulad ng ating example kanina, let's just rewrite it together with our quotient. So, we have x minus 4 plus quantity 9 over x minus 4. Tatandaan ninyo na laging plus sign ang ilalagay natin dito. Kahit negative pa yan, plus pa rin po dito. Basta, naka-enclose yan sa ating parenthesis. Okay? I do hope so na nasundan at naintindihan nyo yung ating dalawang example about on how we divide polynomials using the long division or the division algorithm. For the other method, which is a syntactic division, let's proceed with the next video.